Hello mga lalabs, mga friendsy. Gagawa ako ng aming breakfast at para surprise sa kanila this morning. So, itong pork luncheon meat, they will be our new recipe for cooking, and I will show you how to cook my own style. Okay? So, ang pangalan niya is Highway Pork Luncheon Meat. Highway Pork Luncheon Meat. Actually, gusto siya ng anak ko, pero mas gusto ng anak ko yung isa, yung spam. But sa ngayon, napakahirap ngayon ng buhay. So, tsaga lang muna tayo sa Highway Pork Luncheon Meat. So, yan, guys, here we go. We will make cooking for this pork luncheon meat. Okay? And guys, wait, bubuksan ko muna. Mga pangga, mga lakay, mga kapatid, mga friendsy, mga tropa, mga kaibigan. Madali lang siyang buksan, di ba? Pero kung titignan niyo siya, titignan niyo kung kailan yung expiration. So, yan, nakita niyo, di ba? Made in Malaysia. So, saan niyo makikita yung expiration? 200 to mahal naman, $230. So, yan. Hindi natin makita yung expiration. Saan yung expiration? Kung hindi dyan makita, dito tingnan sa kabila. Yan. So, yan. Ang expiration niya is he was been made, and medyo na ito tatanda nyo made 2020. Ang expiration niya is 09/20/23. So yan ang napaka-importante sa lahat. So yan guys, bubuksan na natin siya. Dahan-dahan, kahit isang kamay, kaya niyong buksan yan. Make sure yung kuko nyo, dahan-dahan lang. Ayan. Ayan, natin yan guys. Mga ito, diba? Tapos, ibigay siya ng konting force. Ayan, konting force lang. Dahan-dahan lang yan. Pero hindi lahat ng bagay nakukuha sa mabilis. Ayan. Ayan. Ayan guys, Ayan yung tsura niya guys. So, nabuksan na yung kalahati, diba? So, nabuksan natin yung kalahati. Wait lang guys, Hey guys, this is the ingredients. What do you see is about the ingredients of the marinated chicken. This is a powdered or ground pepper. Yan. Bote pa yan ng hazelberry. Yan. I love hazelberry cake. I miss the cake. This is the ground pepper. And this one is the The yellow one is the seasoning. See, seasoning for make a good taste. And also, don't forget to put some cayenne pepper. You know, guys, this cayenne pepper can cure heart disease. You know that. For those who have a problem in the heart, always use cayenne pepper, especially in the morning. 1 teaspoon in a hot cup of water, mug of water, and you drink it, and it will flush the bad cholesterols that stuck inside your arteries. And Heinz tomato sauce, simple as that. And I put some soy sauce, Japanese soy sauce, okay, and I put some oyster sauce, and I forgot. Hindi pala breakfast. Hindi pala breakfast. Guys, as you can see, this is a pure honey. Pure honey. Yes. Meron pa siyang sa loob. I buy this one in this country. I travel around 6 hours to find this pure honey. So I find the colony and the productions in my own eye. I see a lot of bees. So it is pure honey. I mean to say, the other one honey is, this one is honey, yes, but look at the texture. Okay, look at the texture of the real pure honey. See, some kind different, right? So I put it down in here, and it's already mixed. So I show you only the ingredients that I put. So right now we will cook some of it, and yes, let's see. We'll start to cook now. Ayan guys, nandito tayo sa lababo sa sink. So ito, nag-prepare ako ng clean plates. Ayan. Tapos lulusin ko na siya ngayon. And any sharp edge here can cut you. Walang kaingay. Tapon nyo sa tamang basurahan. Yung hindi masisira yung kamay nung magtatapon ng basura. Lalo na yung garbage collector. Maawa kayo. Yan. You see guys, di ba pinto ko dyan? Tak-tak mo lang guys. Tak-tak mo. Itak-tak yan guys. Yan. Itak-tak mo. Yan. See? Yun na kasimple guys. Kasi, ito, tinaktak ko na siya ngayon. Tapos, ipiprito ko na ngayon siya guys. Ganun na kasimple yan guys. So, ihiwain mo siya. Slice. 3 slice. 4 slice. 5 slice. 6 slice. 7 slice. So, how many slice na nandyan guys? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Lucky 8 guys. So, clean as you go. Yan lang yan guys. Clean as you go. Sabihin. Hugasan nyo. Hugasan nyo guys yung pinagamitan nyo. Put it in the proper place. So, I put 1 egg para medyo masarap yung lasa. Kasi medyo habuli mo talaga breakfast, diba? Usually may egg. Tahimik lang tayo kasi they are all sleeping. So, i-crack ko ito. Ilagay lang yan dyan. So guys, this one is a seasoning. Seasoning. Masarap yan. Lagyan nyo siya ng pepper. Yan. Tandaan nyo yung nakakalimutan. Actually, pag ako gumamit ng bawang, isang garlic clove. garlic clove. Kasi pinapapak ko yung bawang. Okay. Done. So, now, final stage. Final stage, guys. Hahaluin ko siya. Washing my hands. And then, yeah. Tapos, haluin mo lang. Shampoo mo siya ng shampoo. Ayan, shampoo ng shampoo. Para pantay yung lasa. Kung wala pang loob, yan. Guys. Shampoo na yung shampoo. Technique na rin. So, yan. Complete yung masa. Yan guys, meron na tayong almusal. Breakfast. So, kaldero. Kawali. Dahan-dahan para walang maingay. And then, pwede na yung pang burner ko. And cooking oil. So, you can say, okay, ready. Right. Sounds fancy enough, yeah? So guys, ayan. Okay. Ngayon, yung bawang ilalagay ko na. Tapos, habang nagluluto, niluluto, pwede ka magpagas. Basa mo dapat yung baso. Ayan. Tapos, basa na. Wala basa na. Tapos, yung pinag-ano naman ng yan. Walang ganong stain. Nililinis na yan. Dapat palagi meron ng tissue. Favorite na ano, orange, tsaka banana. Yan, tsaka nasa ilalim, dayak. Yan. Pag walang lemon, ito magandang gamitin. Instead of lemon. Kasi lemon is $1. Ito, 8 pieces, $1. So, mas efficient siya at saka the same, almost the same enzyme and the same purpose also. Ayan guys, lakas ako na. Lakas ako na. At actually, luto na yan. Pwede nang balikan. Hinaan natin ng apoy. Guys, so yun. Bago ako maghugas, bago ko hugasan tong kaldero, I have onion leaves here na fresh onion leaves. Wash it first. Make sure na see, I have my salt. So, lalagyan ko siya ng salt, no? Pahiram ko siya ng salt. Then, wash it again. Then, so it's clean now. So, ayan guys. Tututo ko na ngayon siya dito sa ito. Okay. Ayan. Ayan. Oops. Dulas. Sobrang dulas. Hindi ko alam kung ano ito. Breakfast or something. Kasi parang siyang pang-lunch eh. No? Yung tripod ko sira-sira na. So, yan siya na ayos eh. Kaya ko lang hawak. Yan. Ganun pa rin. Sira na talaga yung tripod ko. I need to buy a new one. Yan. Yan guys. Oops. Ayan. Ayan. Ayan yung ginger. So, ginger, ikakat ko para meron siyang garnish. Para natin yung garnish, fresh garnish ng ginger. And irresistible to eat, right? Right. Now you see the ginger. It's there. Yan. Yan yung breakfast namin ngayon. This morning. And they still wake up. Actually, ito paborito ni Sarah to. Yung toasted na luncheon meat. Especially the spam. Yan, tapos hindi siya pwedeng mawalan ng celery kasi yung celery is good for gallbladder and kidney. At the same time, siyempre mamantika, kailangan ng diap or lemon. So that's why. And for me, this is my favorite. You see the garlic there, fried garlic, and then it's the onion. So that's it, guys. Hindi pala breakfast. Guys, so yun. Bago ako hugasan tong kaldero, I have onion leaves here na fresh onion leaves. Wash it first. Make sure na see, I have my salt. So, lalagyan ko siya ng salt, no? Pahiram ko siya ng salt. Then, wash it again. Then, so it's clean now. So, ayan guys. Tututo ko na ngayon siya dito sa okay. Ayan. Oops. Dulas. Sobrang dulas. Hindi ko alam kung ano ito. Breakfast or something. Kasi parang siyang pang-lunch eh. No? Yung tripod ko sira-sira na. So, yan siya na guys. Kaya ko ng harap. Yan. Ganun pa rin. Sira na talaga yung tripod ko. I need to buy a new one. Yan guys. Oops. Ayan. Ayan yung ginger. So, ginger, ikakat ko para meron siyang garnish. Para meron yung garnish, fresh garnish ng ginger. Irresistible to eat, right? Right. Now you see the ginger. It's there. Yan yung breakfast namin ngayon, this morning. And they still wake up. Actually, ito paborito to ni Sarah to. Yung toasted na luncheon meat. Especially the spam. Yan, tapos hindi siya pwedeng mawalan ng celery. Kasi yung celery is for good number. At the same time, mantika, kailangan ng diap or lemon. So that's right. And for me, this is my favorite. You see the garlic there, fried garlic, and then it's the onion. So that's it, guys.